2019 Toyota 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, HomeLink garage door opener, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, fog lights, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer, remote keyless entry, dual zone air conditioning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.